Planning a move in Boston? One big question is, should you hire full-service movers or go with a DIY truck rental? Let's break down the pros and cons so you can make the smartest choice for your Boston move. Full-service movers handle everything: packing, loading, transport, and unloading. They save you time, reduce stress, and include insurance protection. With expert crews, your belongings are safer and your move runs smoothly. A DIY truck rental may save money up front, but you do all the work: packing, heavy lifting, driving through Boston's traffic, and unloading. It requires more time, effort, and planning, with added risks of damage or injury. The main differences come down to time, effort, and risk. Movers offer insurance, experience, and efficiency. DIY gives you control and savings, but at the cost of more labor and responsibility. In Boston, don't forget about parking permits and narrow streets that movers already know how to handle. So, full-service movers or DIY? If you value convenience and peace of mind, trust Better Life Moving, your reliable partner in Boston. Get your free moving quote today and enjoy a stress-free relocation.